There's a stolen taxi parked in the center of the city. Fetch.
It's an emergency. I need your car.
Wife has been visiting a friend. Go, pick her up. Okay, now wait for the boss wife to get in.
Hi, handsome. Take me to the hotel. Could you be a love and pick up my fitness instructor on the way?
Okay, now wait for him to get in the car. Take us to the hotel and take your time.
Thanks for the lift, hon. I'd appreciate it if you could keep this to yourself. Also, could you watch our bags as we go in the hotel?
Back to the phones if you want more missions. A rival crime lord's brother has just bought a house in the south of the city. We've decided to kidnap him. His house is heavily guarded, but we think it should be possible for you to slip in unnoticed. Although you can go in all guns blazing if you like.
I'll blow your head clean off.
Okay, I'll come quietly.
Great. Now, take him to the helicopter on the roof. Now, wait for the kidnappee to get on board. Okay, now, fly him to our helipad to the northeast. Okay, now get out.
Bring him to us.
A job well done. Here's your payment. Now, get out of here. Okay, get your lazy arse back to the phones for more missions. The rival crime lord has given in to our ransom demands. We've hidden his brother in the boot of a Blue Mondino parked in the southeast of the city. Go and pick it up. Okay, now drive to the car park in the south of the city and take the train. out of here. Okay, wait for them to put the briefcase down. Okay, now pick it up. Ha! Great! Now kill them for some extra money. Ah, nice one. Here's the extra money. Okay, get your lazy arse back to the phones for more missions.
This is my car now.
Fancies himself as a drug lord is going to ship 15 of us to the eastern coast. Make sure that we remain the only supplier. If you need it, there's a bazooka hidden in the alleyway near this phone. Remember that the petrol tank is in the back of the bus. Just to make things interesting, I only got 75 seconds to do it. Think of it as a pen. Your money, but keep an eye open for the cop. Head to the phones for more missions. It seems that the residents of a local apartment block have decided not to pay their protection money. The boss wants to send a message to anyone else thinking not paying now. I stashed a remote-triggered bomb down the nearby alleyway. Go and pick it up. Okay, now put it down next to the apartment block.
Nice car. I'll take it.
Now, drop the bomb. Great! Now, get out of there. Sky.
I need your car.
Ah, excellent. Here's your cash. Hey, head back to the phones for more missions. Ike stopped the car in the back street. Find it before the cops. Take you to Kenny's garage in the south of the city. The cops are onto you, so better watch out. Danger money. Get back to the phones for some more missions.